name is Shalise Packer. I'm principal of New Highland Elementary School. We're so excited about the great adventures we have this year in learning. We are a STEAM school. Look forward to seeing you. You can stop by New Highland anytime. Sit back and enjoy.
Okay. I'm Autumn Jones. I'm the assistant principal at New Highland Elementary School. We are so excited to be having open house and celebrating our families. This school year, we look forward to showcasing our student work and also just making our families feel that they know that they're our family too.
Hi, I'm Brittany Smith. I'm New Highland's Family Resource Coordinator, and tonight at Open House, we are giving away a lot of free school supplies. Bargain Brothers in Radcliffe has donated lots of pens, glue sticks, composition notebooks, and we're just happy to support our families and get this school year started. So happy end of summer and welcome to a new year.
Hey, good evening, Bullpup families. My name is Kim Silva, and I am your records clerk at the front office. We are here tonight for open house, and we are selling T-shirts, and we're also signing up our families for card tags. Make sure you stop by our table and get a card tag if your child will be picked up and dropped off here at the school, and we're looking forward to a great school year with you all.
Hi, I'm Amanda Urbans with New Highland Elementary. I'm your library media specialist, and I'm here to help teach kids a love for reading.
Hi, my name is Kristen Hand. I am a third grade teacher here at New Highland Elementary School, and tonight we're having our open house where families are coming in leisurely and meeting their child's teachers for the year and getting excited for the school year. Something I really love about New Highland Elementary is how focused we are on family and just inclusion and just having a great school year. So we're really looking forward to it, and we're so happy to see our kids back at school tonight and getting the school year started.
Hello, my name is Sandra Root Chan, and I'm an interventionist teacher at New Highland Elementary School. We are having our open house this evening, and we are so excited to welcome all of our students back to school. We have missed our students, and we have missed our families, and we are very appreciative of the community partners that are here as well. Thank you for coming.
Hello, my name is Lauren Martin. My daughter is going into second grade at New Highland Elementary School. We love that New Highland is all about our families and supporting our kids to make sure that they're growing.
Hi, I'm Shelly Cook. My son will be in second grade, and we absolutely love New Highland. They have been amazing with my son. Miss Martin he had last year was amazing, and we look forward to the next school year.
Hi, my name is Jessica Williams.
And I'm Talia Williams. I'm going to be going into fourth grade, and this school has been amazing throughout the 5 years I've been through.
She's been here since kindergarten, and it's been wonderful ever since, so hopefully we'll finish it out.
And I'm very happy.
Hi, my name is Cheryl Beth Crespo.
What grade are you going to be?
Second.
And how has New Highland been for you so far?
Good.
It's been good? Thank you.